Hello, welcome foolish mortals, Queenie Q here, and today I want to do not really so much a DIY, but more of a watch me make this thing kind of video. I have this lovely vintage Disneyland fan, as you can see, which I tried to do research on and I couldn't get much information. It's like some weird plasticky kind of deal. If any of you know about these weird fans, they're very intricate. I don't know if I can show it off, but yeah, it's just lovely, and I don't want to play with it too much despite what I just did with it because I want to keep it safe. And I also want to display my Disneyland pins. My boyfriend and I collect those as well, particularly the more spooky Haunted Mansion-y ones, like the one I'm wearing. And I also want to fill up this space on the wall here. Anyway, I want to use this frame. I've been trying to figure out what to put in it for literally probably a decade. And I have this beautiful fan which I think will fit lovely in it. Let's see. I can get kind of the idea, yeah, right there. But also be a pinboard. Let's get started.
Materials that I used: a frame, cardboard, stretch velvet, scissors, hot glue gun and hot glue sticks, masking tape. First, I marked the shape of my frame onto my cardboard with a Sharpie that I did not mention earlier. And then I cut out that shape. Then I cut a larger oval out of my stretch velvet. And while I wait for my glue gun to heat up, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. So my camera stopped recording here. What I did next was cut little slits into the velvet and then of course hot glued it to the frame. Now that I've caught you up on all of that, I can attach my fan to the finished board. I use these little jewelry wire pieces to attach the fan by poking them through a hole on the fan through the cardboard and then bending them down in the back. Once I've got those all fixed, I tape down the excess wire in the back with the masking tape. And now my board is ready for my pins. And here are pins so far. We have kind of a smaller collection. I only more recently got into pins. And of course there's some non-Disney pins here too. Like our Agretsuko pin. And I have a secret Halloween brooch as well. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram for hints about my upcoming videos and other spooky and non-spooky fun.